Hello there, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Yaritza and I am a pre-K teacher in Texas. And in today's video, I'm going to talk about this wonderful teacher cart that I've been using. I think a teacher cart is a must-have for any teacher since we are constantly having to carry a multitude of different things. And I had actually been using this reusable grocery bag to haul everything in, and I was so ready to ditch it whenever this cart arrived. Assembling the cart was incredibly easy and literally took a minute. You just have to snap on the 5 wheels and you will hear them click into place. Then open up the folding trolley base, slip on and secure the box portion to prevent any tipping. This cart features 15 organizational pockets with a padded 15.6-inch laptop compartment. And my favorite features are the 5-wheel 360-degree swivel system that makes it so smooth and easy for movement, along with water-resistant fabric that withstands daily wear and tear. And I also really like that you can zip the top, which is really convenient on rainy days, but I do prefer to keep it unzipped since I access it a lot throughout my day. It also has multiple carry options. You can roll it, which is my favorite way to use it. You can do a shoulder carry by adding the strap, or you could do a hand carry, which is how I load and unload into my car. I received this cart right after winter break, and the first day that I used it, I loaded it with a 1-inch binder, which I placed in the laptop compartment, my purse, a box of dry erase markers, and my laminating machine. On another day, I still have to carry my binder back and forth, my purse. I also have my lunch container and an avocado. I have some socks that I intend to cut up to use as dry erase marker erasers. And my 20-ounce water bottle fits really nicely in one of these outside mesh pockets. And I also recently added my compact umbrella in the other mesh pocket so that I'm ready for rainy surprises. I don't typically carry a lot of heavy things, but I do always have a multitude of things to carry back and forth from home to school, from school to home. So this cart has just been so incredibly convenient. And like I said, I absolutely love these wheels. They are so silent, so smooth. I think this cart would be suitable for most teachers. But a couple of considerations to keep in mind are that if you're going to carry a lot of heavy things back and forth, then this might not be a good fit for you. And I am also on the shorter end at 5'2". So if you are over 5'9", maybe the handle height will not work out for you. But otherwise, I do highly, highly recommend this teacher cart if you or a teacher friend of yours are in need of one. So if you're interested in this teacher cart, I am leaving the Amazon link below in the description, and it is also in my teacher must-have list in my Amazon storefront. So please consider shopping from my Amazon storefront list, as I do earn a tiny, tiny commission every time that you shop from my links. And if you have any other questions about this cart, please make sure to comment below and I'll get back to you. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.